Hello students, today you are going to study a sex determination of the topic number 3. Let us see what is sex determination. The mechanism by which the sex is established is termed as sex determination. I repeat, the mechanism by which sex is established is termed as sex determination. The term sex refers to sexual phenotype. In some species, both male and females reproductive organs are present in the same organism or the same animal, which is known as bisexual or the hermaphrodite or the monoecious. While in some organisms sexes are separate, it means that those organisms are known as unisexual organisms. Those who have separate sex organs are known as unisexual organisms, while those who have both sex organs in same organism or the same animal is called as a bisexual or the hermaphrodite or the monoecious. Let us see about the basic things or the study done by German biologist Henking in 1891 while studying the spermatogenesis of the squash bug, that is Anessa tristis, noted about 50% of the sperms receive the unpaired chromosomes while 50% sperms do not receive it. Henking gave the name to this structure as X body, but he could not explain its role in the sex determination. Further investigations by other scientists led to conclusion that the X body of the Henking was in fact the chromosome and gave the name that is X chromosome. So later on, after investigation by some other scientists after Henking, that X bodies was nothing but the X chromosome. Let us see the sex determination in the human being. The chromosomal mechanism of the sex determination in the human being is XX and the XY type. So XX type of sex chromosomes are present in the female, while the XY chromosomes are sex chromosomes are present in the male only. In human being, the nucleus of each somatic cell contains 46 chromosomes or 23 pairs of chromosomes. As I said earlier, each somatic cell of the human being contains 46 chromosomes, means the 23 pairs of the chromosomes. Out of these 23 pairs of chromosomes, 22 pairs are autosomes and one pair is a sex chromosomes. In female, human female has a pair of, yes, let us see, human female has a pair of XX chromosomes. Both chromosomes are same, so it is called as a homomorphic sex chromosomes. These are homomorphic X chromosomes. So while in males these are X and the Y, so these are called as heteromorphic sex chromosomes. Thus the genotype of the female is 46 44 autosomes and the XX sex chromosomes. So total number is 46. In males, there are 44 autosomes and X and Y sex chromosome. Again, the total number is same, that is 46 chromosomes. Let us see the cross. This male, when marriages with this female, this male will produce two gametes, that is the with X and the Y, and this will produce the gametes, two gametes, that is XX. Okay, after fertilization, which is shown by the checkers board. So male gametes are written over here above this checkers board and the female gametes are shown towards this side. Okay, so these are eggs and these are sperms. So when this X fuses with this one, so this will be the definitely female, this will be the definitely male with the XY, this will be definitely a female with the XX, and this will be the XY, means this is male. So the ratio is 1:1, that is two males and the two females. So this is sex determination, this type of sex determination found in the human being. Let us see one more sex determination in the birds. In birds, the chromosomal mechanism of the sex determination is ZW and the ZZ type. In this type of in this type, females are heterogametic. Females are heterogametic, means this should be the female and this should be the male, and produce two types of the eggs, that is 50% eggs carry Z chromosome and 50% eggs carry W chromosome. Males are homogametic and produce only one type of sperms. Each sperm carries Z chromosome. So each sperm carries Z type of chromosome. Thus, the sex of the individual depends on the kind of egg ova fertilized by the sperm. Let us see the cross of the sex determination in the birds. So this is male and this one is female. So 2n plus ZZ, 2n plus ZW. So this is male first gamete of the male and this is second gamete of the male. This is first gamete of the female. This is second gamete of the female. So when this sperm fuses with the egg, this will be the male because this Z combines with this Z. So 2n plus ZZ. So this should be the male. Okay, so this is this is homogametic. Both sex chromosomes are of similar type. That is the ZZ chromosome. So this is male bird. When this n plus Z gamete fuses with this one, so this will be the 2n plus ZW. So this will be female bird because this is heterogametic. So there are two chromosomes which are different. One is Z and the another one is the W. So this is sex determination in the bird. Let us see the sex determination in the honeybees. In honeybees, chromosomal mechanism of the sex determination is haplodiploidic, means it involves haplontic and the haploid and the diploid type of sex determination. In this type, sex of individuals is determined by the number of set of chromosomes received. Females are diploid. In honeybees, females are diploid, that is 2 and that is 32 pairs of the total number of chromosomes is 32, and in males there are total 16 chromosomes, that is denoted by N. So males possess only one set of chromosomes while the female possesses two sets of chromosomes, that is the 2N, which is denoted by 32 chromosomes. The female produce haploid eggs, that is each egg contains 16 chromosomes by meiosis, and the male produces haploid sperms by the mitosis. Okay, so male produces haploid sperms with the help of the mitosis, while the female produces eggs with the help of the meiosis. If the egg is fertilized by the sperm, this zygote will develop into the yes. In this, you can see the yes sex determination in the honeybees. Okay, so this is female, and this female is diploid, and this male is haploid. So this male possesses the one set of chromosome, that is 13 chromosomes, 16 chromosomes, while the female is diploid, which is possesses this female possesses 32 chromosomes. Okay, total number of chromosomes are 32 chromosomes, while males have 16 chromosomes. Okay, 16. So males are haploid and the females are diploid. So this particular female produces eggs. Okay, their eggs with the help of this particular process, that is meiosis, and this male produces sperms with the help of this mitosis. Okay, when this particular egg remains without when this egg remains as it is without fertilization, so this process is called as parthenogenesis. It remains as it is, so this will develop into the haploid male. This will be the definitely haploid male, and when this egg fuses with the sperm, this will develop into the diploid female because there are 32 chromosomes. No, These 16 plus 16, 32 chromosomes. So this will definitely a female, and this one will be definitely a male. So this type of sex determination is found in the honeybees. Diploid female gets differentiated into either worker or the queen depend on the food they consume during the development. Diploid larva, if get royal honey as a food, then it develops into the queen. So this is simply regarding the sex determination in the honeybees. Let us see one more point, that is the genetic disorders. So genetic disorders are broadly grouped into two categories: Mendelian disorders and the chromosomal disorders. Mendelian disorders are mainly caused due to the alteration or the mutation in the gene. For example, thalassemia, sickle cell anemia, color blindness, hemophilia, then the phenylketonuria, etc. On the other hand, chromosomal disorders are caused due to the absence of excess of one or more chromosomes or their abnormal arrangement. For example, Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, Klinefelter syndromes, etc. Okay, let us see the first one, that is the let us see first genetic disorder, that is thalassemia. Thalassemia is an autosomal inherited recessive disease. Hemoglobin molecule is made up of four polypeptide chains. Out of these four polypeptide chains, two chains of alpha and two chains of beta chains. So the synthesis of alpha chain are controlled by two closely linked genes, that is HBA1 and HBA2 on a chromosome 16. Number is 16 chromosome, while the synthesis of beta chain is controlled by a single gene, that is HBB on the chromosome. Okay, on the chromosome number 11. Okay, so this gene is present on the chromosome number 11. Okay, so depending upon affected chain, thalassemia is classified into alpha thalassemia or the beta thalassemia. It is caused due to the deletion or the mutation of gene which is code for alpha and beta globin chain that result in the abnormal hemoglobin. Now just see the symptoms of the thalassemia: anemic anemia, then the pale yellow skin, change in size and shape of RBC, slow growth and development, and dark urine. These are different symptoms found in that particular person which is suffering by the thalassemia. Okay, now let us move towards the one more syndrome, that is Down syndrome. Down syndrome is named after the physician John Down, who first described the autosomal chromosomal disorder in 1866. The syndrome is caused due to an extra copy of chromosome number at 21st. If you see the ideogram, so there should be two chromosomes. Instead of two chromosomes at this 21st pair, there is an extra chromosome. So the is total number of chromosomes are 47 chromosomes. You can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 21 30 32 32 34 36 38 then 40, these 43 44 45 with an XX or the XY, 45 46 and the 47. Okay, so there is extra one chromosome at the 21st pair of chromosomes. So this is called as Down syndrome. Okay, so the syndrome is caused due to the an extra copy of the chromosome number at 21st. These offsprings will have 47 chromosomes instead of 46. As I said earlier, इथे 46 क्रोमोझोम असायला पाहिजे होते, पण इथे 47 क्रोमोझोम्स आहेत. इथे एक एक्स्ट्रा कॉपी आहे. ओके. So symptoms, let us see the symptoms. In the patient have a mild or the moderate mental retardation. Skeletal development is poor. Distinct facial features like the small head, ear, mouth, face, and a flat, rounded nose, protruding the tongue, then the flat hands and the stubby fingers, and palm is broad. So these are different symptoms found in that particular person which is suffering by the Down syndrome. So this is called as a trisomy at 21st. This is trisomy at 21st. Trisomy means there are three chromosomes. No, so it is called as a trisomy at 21st chromosome pair. Let us see one more syndrome, that is the Turner syndrome. Okay, so this is called as a monosomy. Okay, so it is a sex chromosomal disorder caused due to the non-disjunction of the chromosome during the gamete formation. Offspring born with a Turner syndrome has 44 autosomes with X0. So X0, this is called as X0 female because there is no one more X chromosome found in that particular female. Okay, so the total number of chromosomes are 44. There are 44 chromosomes and only one sex chromosome. It means that total number of chromosomes are 45 chromosomes. So one chromosome is less, that is X chromosome. So let us see, it is a sex chromosomal disorder caused due to the non-disjunction of the chromosomes during the gamete formation. Individual born with the Turner syndrome has 44 autosomes with X0. So they are phenotypically female. They have a short stature or the height, short height and the webbed neck, lower posterior hairline, broad shield shape chest, poorly developed ovaries and breast, and low intelligence. So these are different symptoms found in that particular female, which is uh, suffering from the Turner's syndrome. Let us see one more syndrome, that is the Klinefelter syndrome. This is definitely a male, but this male possesses extra X chromosome. So it is a chromosomal disorder caused due to the extra X chromosome. As I said earlier, thus the genotype of the individual is 44 autosomes plus XX and the Y chromosome. There is extra X chromosome found in that particular male. So they are described as a feminized male. Extra chromosome is a result of non-disjunction of the X chromosome during the meiosis. Individual is male and has all over the masculine development. Voice, speech harsh and have underdeveloped testes. They are tall with long arms, feminine development. Development of the breast, that is, there is no spermatogenesis, therefore the individual is sterile. So this is Klinefelter syndrome, and this is the last point of this particular current topic. Now this topic is over. Thank you very much. Next topic we will see later on. Thank you.